Being tested is a Granville-Phillips vacuum gauge controller, which is used in many tools for the semiconductor industry. This particular model is a Granville-Phillips 307 vacuum gauge dual hot cathode ion gauge controller with a part number 307502-000-T1. It came in with a very defective front panel control, making the gauge useless in operation. We rebuilt the front panel with new switches and also rebuilt the power supply, and as shown in the video, we went through and checked the operation of the switches to ensure they were working again. We could test further, but since this unit had such a specific issue, we were confident in its operation, and we shipped this unit back to the customer. At ERD, we test all our repairs to levels of what our decades of experience indicate is necessary for each unit.